Creating content and putting it onto a Joomla site is really a three-step process. Firstly, we create categories which will have our articles inside. Then we create the articles themselves, which is like the pages on our site. And then finally we connect those articles to a menu. If you look here, I'm actually in my category manager, and I have three categories. One's actually the uncategorized category. Then we have our school and our curriculum. Now what I'd like to do is create another one called our classrooms. Now if you weren't in the category manager, to get there you would go content category manager, and you could use the add new category link. Otherwise there's also a new button over here, so I'll just use that one, new, to create my new category, and I'm going to call this one our classrooms. And if I want to create another one, I'd use save and new, but I'll just say save and close. Alright, so now I've got my new category, our classrooms. I'm now going to go and create an article for it. So I'll go content, article manager, add new article. I'm going to have an article for each of my classes. So my first one's going to be called prep. Now I'm going to make sure that the category is the correct one, so I'm going to put it in the our classrooms category. And then I'm going to put some content in there. So our prep classes, and then I'll put lots of stuff there that's about the great things that we do in our prep classes. And then I'm going to save and close that one. So I created my category, and now I've put one of my articles in the category. The last thing I've got to do is put it on the menu. So I'm going to go menu, main menu. Now you might have other menus there, but for now I've just got a main menu, and I'm going to add a new menu item to it. And I've got to select what type of menu item it is. So I'm going to go select, and what it is, there's lots of choices here, but if you look over at articles, it stands out fairly well. It's a single article. So I'm going to click on single article and put a title on it. So these are the actual words which will display on the menu. So it's going to be prep, and then on the right hand side I need to select the article itself. So I'm going to click on select or change. Alright, there's my prep article, so I'll select that and save and close. Alright, now when I go and have a look at my site, so if I say view site, alright, there it is, there's my prep article on the menu. If I click on that, you can see that's my article there. Alright, and we follow the same process with all of our articles.